Introduce yourself, please, and then.
Hello, I am Arya Dubey. I am from KJ Somaiya College. My question is essentially to the BJP, and I want to ask, how is it possible that the people that they themselves condemn first, they take up into their party, and once they have them taken, their allegations against them are gone away. Now they would say that they have never taken anyone who is convicted, but they themselves before were condemning them on their own.
BJP is a washing machine, is something that has come. Yes, please, slide. You wanted to make a point. Go ahead.
I think that's one of the best questions that anybody can ask, and the girl is intelligent enough to understand what is going on. That's the point. I mean, everybody that the Bharatiya Janata Party has accused of scams and taint, eventually, once they join the Bharatiya Janata Party, they get a clean sheet. So this is a mystery, that how does one get into the washing machine and get clean. Here, Maria, we are right here at the Vidhan Bhavan. Inside the Vidhan Bhavan, on the floor of the Vidhan Bhavan, one of the Bharatiya Janata Party, MLAs went on to say, it is not just the washing machine. We even get our washing powder from Gujarat. We bring that powder into wherever that tainted person is, clean them, and lo and behold, he's like new as new. I mean, whatever you can say, new as new is another term that I would like to use. But my question is there. I would like to ask a question through your medium to one gentleman. I call him a gentleman because that's how you respect people. Is Mr. Kirit Somaiya. Every time he raises a question on somebody with scams and taints, those people run helter-skelter. The ED goes to them, the CBI goes to them, the income tax goes to them. Then they join the BJP and all those cases are washed out. So not just me, I'm a spokesperson of a political party.
Yes.
You need to answer every youngster like this in the country, across the country.
Is this concern of several other students, that how has one political party, somehow it manages clean chit for people who are seen to be corrupt, who have criminal cases against them?
Yes. For example...
Tell us about yourself.
Yes. Hi, my name is Yusuf Sheikh. I'm from KJ Somaiya College. I would like to extend the question that Arya asked. She said that BJP is basically has become a washing machine. And for example, Brij Bhushan Singh and Pragya Thakur, they are the prime examples of the BJP washing machine and how it works. So I would like to ask how that works.
Okay, how is this washing machine working, Asif Bamla?
I thought few years back, the Honorable Supreme Court had said that the agencies have become a cage parrot, of the Congress. This was a statement that the Supreme Court of India had released, and I'm sure the youngsters are a witness to that. Having said that, that's not something which can rule out our responsibility of this. Now, let me tell you this very honestly, that of course we understand that there are cases. Now there has been a case on Ajit Pawar ji, which has been evacuated. The case was 20 years back.
Yes, only because he became an alliance partner of the BJP.
So what I'm trying to say is, just because आज यदि कोई हमारे पार्टी में जुड़ रहा है, तो अब हमें कानून को और जो इंडिपेंडेंट इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसीज है उन्हें भी ये कहना पड़ेगा कि भाई यदि आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कुछ प्राप्त नहीं हुआ किसी के खिलाफ या कुछ गलत नहीं नजर आया, तो भी आप उन्हें सजा इफ्तार दीजिए, क्यों कि वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी में आए. अब वो नौबत आ चुकी है क्योंकि मानसिकता जो है विरोधकों की इस तरीके से हो गई है.
There has been a research that was done recently, only a newspaper which carried out, that how the number of leaders who switched the party and joined the BJP and their cases were put on the back burner. That is something which is statistically proven as well.